So hello team, I hope you are well, fine and good. So I welcome to this another video session. So we'll be having a discussion on the NetScaler 0-day vulnerability and what it is and how this had been fixed. Everything will be discussed here. So what happened actually is that on 26th of August and 27th 2025, Citrix NetScaler released fixes for 3 NetScaler ADC and NetScaler Gateway bugs. Okay, so actually one of them were found to have a CVE score of 9.2 and is a very memory overflow that actually enables the pre-auth RCE and DOS protection and has been exploited at 0-day in the wild. Okay, so coming to the affected when this condition actually applies. So one is a gateway configuration, next is IPv6 service painting, and there is HDX catch remediation, so redirection, sorry. So when we discuss about the gateway configuration, so we need to have an understanding about the configure as a gateway VPN or vServer or ICA proxy or CVPN or RDP proxy or as a AA virtual server. So those all comes into role or picture when we discuss about the gateway configuration. So then after followed by that we have IPv6 service binding. So using LBV server of type HTTP or SSL or HTTPU QUIC with IPv6 service binding including DBS IPv6. So these all comes under the IPv6 service binding. Okay, so these are the different affected versions and their condition actually applies. HDC cache redirection, when we discuss about that, using a cache redirection or RCE server of type HDX. Okay, so Citrix says exploitation has been observed and there are no mitigation, you must upgrade. Okay, no mitigation, you must upgrade too. So versions are built with fixes, upgrade to at least we need to have. Okay, 14.1, 47, 48, then 22, then these were the different or later. Okay, so older is 12.1 mainstream releases and EO end of life and vulnerable upgrade path are actually required. Okay, then after other two vulnerability patch that is actually been released, CVE 2025-776 and 8424. Okay, so one is memory overflow, which DOS behavior impacts gateway with PCOIC profile bound. Then after improper access control or the management interface, okay, that requires access to NSIP or we can say cluster MGMT with MGMT access. Okay, no confirmed exploitation of these two as a publication. So immediate action, that is prior order which is actually been required. One is identify the exposure, so we can start checking the configurable SSL or SSH search by using ns.conf for these makers and add authentication vServer and also add VPNs vServer, add IBL vServer. Okay, so if present in your scope, if it is actually present, we can check and add that. So if you use NetScaler console open security advisor CVE detection sets, then at least impacted instances that can be formulated. So then after patch, now we need to have a patch fix built above. There is no vendor mitigation for CVE-2025-775. So restrict management plan, good hygienic, and for CVE-2025-8424 ensure NSIP cluster MGNT aren't internet exposed. Okay, enforce ACLs. Okay, IDAM. Okay, disable local auth if actually possible. So then after hunt for compromise, we need to look after this. So one is review logs, then after scan for web cells, then after segment and monitor. So these three profiles are very crucial and important because we need to review the logs. Okay, so review all the gateway, AAL and VPN logs for unusual pre-auth request, okay, spikes to VPN or IP v6 bound LBP server and unexpected NS root auth attempts or any kind of config change around August 20 or 27 2025. So scan for web cell, if we discuss about that. So if EDRs or IDS is in in place a scan for web cells or post exploitation beacon from NS application subnets. Okay, some reports actually note RCE could be used to drop web cells. Okay, segment and monitor ensures the appliance must at least privilege access to internal internet networks, and detection for any kind of anomalies, management access attempts. Okay, general hardening reinforced by vendor guidance is must and should be there.